Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest products in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of household cleaning with what I believe is the best shower cubicle cleaner out there. Mighty Mint All-Purpose Cleaner. Let me tell you why this little bottle of cleaning power has earned its spot as a must-have in every home. First off, what sets Mighty Mint apart is its powerful yet non-toxic formula. Made with natural peppermint oil, this cleaner is tough on dirt and grime, yet gentle on surfaces and safe to use around your family and pets. But does it work? Let's put it to the test. As you can see, Mighty Mint lives up to its name, leaving surfaces squeaky clean and smelling like a fresh garden of peppermint. But what I love most about Mighty Mint is its versatility. Whether it's your kitchen, bathroom, or even your car, this all-purpose cleaner is up for the challenge. Don't just take my word for it. Here's what some satisfied customers have to say. And let's not forget about the environment. Mighty Mint is not only tough on stains, but it's also gentle on the planet. With its plant-based ingredients and sustainable packaging, you can clean with peace of mind. So there you have it, folks. If you're tired of struggling with stubborn stains and harsh chemicals, give Mighty Mint All-Purpose Cleaner a try. Your shower cubicle will thank you. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you've tried Mighty Mint yourself. Until next time, happy cleaning!